Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I cook my beans in an electric pressure cooker. Ok, donc je vais vous montrer comment je prépare des haricots avec l'autocuiseur. La holude on hono mi woni defirde nyebbe e ka autocuiseur amanda autocuiseur hono wiyete Pouvoir. I got here 2 cups of bean, kopunkundi di nyebbe. I got 1 onion, asalere water, 7 grams of black poivre, sachet goto. Ensuite, we got chicken seasoning. Don't know Maggi chundi. So I got my chicken, gerto. I got 5 carrots. Carrot is joey. On va commencer. So we are going to start. So you must clean your beans first. Faut laver d'abord ton haricot. Okay. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of water. I'm going to add some little oil. So what I need pansera, just little oil, not too much. I'm going to add little salt. Okay. I'm going to add chicken seasoning. So as you go Maggi chundi on their tongue. So I'm going to add some black pepper, poivron. I'm going to add this onion. I don't basaleon. So I'm going to add some onions. I'm going to add carrot. I don't carrot. Chiroidi. It's pas obligatoire. I'm going to add chicken. Gerto. No papao gerto. It's always clean. Try to mix it together. See. I'm going to cook it. Donc 30 minutes, pour la première fois. For the first time, I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. Ensuite, press beans, okay? Clean cook. Après, on peut venir dans nyebbe. On peut ami, you know, there you go. So now we're gonna have to wait. Okay, after 30 minutes, let's check. Okay, donc après 30 minutes, so we are going to see. Looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to cook it again for another 15 to 20 minutes. You defitore dokadi 1 minute. No guy. So let's cook it for another 20 minutes. Okay, now let's check. Gerson defike easy. I think my chicken was overcooked, but anyway, it's fine. I'm going to eat it with rice. Hey, I'm done. Okay, you guys need the food. Yebbe e nyiri maro. Donc min ko ni mi nyameta. Oɓe non no awadde birede no ari te non lagini.